Welcome to Self-Love Meditation. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a position that feels natural to you. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling your lungs completely. Slowly exhale, letting go of any tension or stress. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. Begin to focus on your breathing. Inhale now deeper, all the way into your belly, feeling it expand like a balloon. Hold for a count of 3. Exhale slowly for a count of 6, releasing any resistance. Repeat this for 3 cycles, feeling more grounded and present with each breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go back to your natural rhythm of breathing. Now bring your awareness to your body. Start from the top of your head. Gently scan through your forehead, eyes, jaw, neck, and shoulders. Feel any tension melting away with each exhale. Continue down your chest, arms and hands, all the way to your hips, legs, and feet. Let your body relax completely. Yes, that's right. Imagine a soft, warm pink light glowing in the center of your heart. This light is the pure essence of self-love and compassion. Visualize it as radiant and soothing, glowing softly at first, but growing stronger and brighter with each breath. As you breathe deeply, feel this pink light expanding, filling your chest and radiating outward. It begins to flow through your entire body, embracing you from the inside out. Imagine it wrapping you in its warmth, a fuzzy, beautiful pink glow that feels safe, comforting, and deeply loving. Now see this pink light expanding beyond your body, creating a gentle, protective sphere around you. Within this sphere, you are completely surrounded by love, acceptance, and peace. As you sit with this light, repeat silently or aloud, I am surrounded by love and I radiate love in return. I am beautiful inside and out. I am enough just as I am. I am worthy of kindness, respect, and care. I embrace all of myself with compassion and grace. I release all doubt and trust in my inherent worth. I am deserving of love, joy, and peace. Feel the truth of these affirmations as they sink into your heart, merging with the radiant pink light. Let each word amplify the warmth and beauty of the light within you. Now think of one thing about yourself that you are grateful for. It could be a quality, a strength, or even the effort you've made to show up for yourself in this moment. Let gratitude for this part of yourself grow and flow into the pink light. Make it even brighter and more vibrant. Visualize the pink light gently filling any spaces in your heart, in your mind that need healing, in your body. See it soothing and dissolving any self-doubt, any fear or judgment. Feel how it nurtures you, how it lifts you, and embraces every part of you with unconditional love. Take a deep breath in, feeling the love, warmth, and acceptance you've cultivated. Exhale slowly, grounding this beautiful energy into your body. When you're ready, bring gentle movement to your fingers and toes. Take your time to return to the present moment. Open your eyes, knowing that this pink light of love is always within you, ready to embrace and support you whenever you need it. I carry this beautiful pink light of love within me. It fills me with warmth, confidence, and joy every single day. Repeat that final affirmation. I carry this beautiful pink light of love within me. It fills me with warmth, confidence, and joy every single day. Take one last deep breath in and exhale with a smile. You've just gifted yourself a beautiful moment of self-love. Have a wonderful day.